Dear children, welcome to chapter Polynomials session 4. In this video, let us recall some important algebraic identities. By the help of these identities, let us factorize some polynomials. Yes, children, some important algebraic identities are before you. In these identities, some of them are learnt in 8th standard. I will write one by one. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Then a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Next, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b, and x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus x into a plus b plus ab. Next, a plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Then a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. A minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab, and also x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. These are very important identities, and we will use these identities to factorize the given polynomial. Let us factorize this polynomial. 16a square plus 24ab plus 9b square. Here, which appropriate or suitable identity can we use to factorize this? Yes, I can use a square plus b square plus 2ab, that is equal to a plus b whole square, this identity, because 16a square and 9b square I can write it in the form of a square plus b square, right? So 16a square we can write 4 square a square plus 9b square. I will write 9b square first. 9b square is equal to 3 square b square plus what is remaining here, 24ab. Keep as it is. Now 4 square a square we can write 4a whole square also plus 3b whole square plus, see here, 4a. It is, imagine this is a and 3b as b, then what happens here? A square plus b square plus next term is what? Next term is plus 2ab, 2 into here plus 2ab, right? No, so 2 into value of a is 4a into value of b is 3b. The product of these three terms is equal to 24ab. 2 4s are 8, 8 3s are 24, then a into b is equal to 24ab. So this is equal to, how can we write? A square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to a plus b whole square. So what happens here? A value is 4a plus b value is 3b. It's a whole square, right? In this way we can factorize the given polynomial. Next, let us move to one more exercise problem. 49x square minus 70xy plus 25y square. Here also 49 and 25 are two perfect square numbers, so we can write 49x square plus 25y square minus 70xy is equal to 49, it is 7 square, x square keep as it is. 25 means what? It is the square of 5, 5 square y square minus 70xy. So it resembles which identity? Can you tell me? It resembles a square plus b square minus 2ab is equal to a minus b whole square. So we can split this polynomial as 7x whole square plus 5y whole square minus, write it in the form of minus 2ab. So minus 2 into, what is the value of a here? Value of a. This is value of b. So substitute the value of a. It is 7x into value of b. It is 5y. Check the product of these three terms is equal to minus 70xy. We can try 7 into 2 into 5 is equal to 2 5 is a 10, 10 into 7, 7 is equal to 70xy. Yes, so it is a minus b whole square. Here value of a is 7x and value of b is 5y. So 7x minus 5y whole square. And factorize 9 by 16 p square minus q square by 25 using suitable identity. 9 by 16 p square minus q square divided by 25. We can write 9 in the form of 3 square and 16 as 4 square. P square minus q square divided by 25, it is 5 square. So we can write this in the form of 3 divided by 4 p whole square. We can write this in the form of 3 by 4 p whole square minus q divided by 5 whole square. Now this resembles which identity? Can you tell me? A square minus b square is equal to what? A plus b into a minus b. So here what is the value of a here? 3 divided by 4p is the value of A and q divided by 5 is the value of B. So what is 3 by 4p whole square minus q by 5 whole square? It is equal to a square, means here a value a plus b into a minus b. So 3 divided by 4p a, this is a, plus value of b is what? Q by 5. So it is a plus b into a minus b, means 3 by 4p minus q divided by 5. Find the product of the following using suitable identity: x plus 4 into x minus 3. This product we can factorize using the identity x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square. We know is equal to x square plus x into a plus b plus ab. Here what is the value of x? In the problem, value of x is x, value of a is equal to 4, and what is the value of b? It is minus 3. So x plus 4 into x minus 3 is equal to, factorize in the form of above identity, x square. Substitute the value of x, it is x itself, x square plus x into, what is the value of a? It is 4, plus what is the value of b? B value is the minus 3, write down, plus a value is 4 into, what is the value of b? B is minus 3 is equal to x square plus x into 4 minus 1 is equal to 1. 4 3s are 12, plus into minus 12 is equal to x square plus x minus 12. Therefore we can factorize x plus 4 into x minus 3 is equal to x square plus x minus 12. Understand? Next, let us move to one more polynomial. Factorize this. Expand a minus 2b plus 3c whole square. This resembles what? This is in the form of which identity? A minus b 2b plus 3c whole square. This is in the form of what? A plus b plus c whole square is equal to what? A square. Recall this identity: a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Here also, what are a, then b and c? What is the value of a? A is a itself, and b value is equal to minus 2b, and value of c is equal to 3c. Now substitute the value of a, b and c in the given polynomial. A minus 2b plus 3c whole square is equal to a square. What is a? A itself, a square, plus value of b is minus 2b, it's a square, plus value of c is what? 3c. 3c square plus 2ab, 2 into value of a into value of b, then plus 2bc, 2 into value of b into value of c, plus 2ca, 2 into c value, then a value is equal to Simplify. This is equal to a square plus minus 2b whole square is equal to what? Minus 2b whole square is equal to, can you tell me? Minus 2b whole square. Minus 2b into minus 2b is equal to 4b whole square. 4b whole square. I will write 4b whole square. Then what is 3c whole square? 3c whole square. Simplify. 3c whole square is equal to 3 square is equal to 9c square plus 2 into value of a into b. 2 2s are 4, 4ab plus into minus 4ab. Again here 2 into minus 2b into 3c is equal to minus 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12bc plus 2 3s are 6ac. 6ac. This is the factorization of given polynomial or expansion of a minus 2b plus 3c whole square. Right? Now let us move to one more problem. Evaluate using suitable identity 106 whole cube. 106 whole cube without actual multiplication. You have to expand or evaluate the value of 106 whole cube. This is equal to 106 whole cube. We can write 106 in the form of, very simply we can write 100 plus 6, right? So 100 plus 6 whole cube. Now this resembles which algebraic identity? Yes, you are right. X plus y whole cube or a plus b whole cube. This is in the form of, we will write, this is in the form of a plus b whole cube. Expand this, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Here what are the value of a and b? A is equal to 100 and b is equal to 6. Therefore 100 plus 6 whole cube is equal to a cube. A cube means 100 cube plus b cube is 6 cube plus 3 into value of a into value of b into a. 100 plus b, it is 6, is equal to 100 cube is equal to what? 100 into 100 into 100. It is equal to 100 cube means 100 into 100 into 100. 100 into 100 is equal to how many zeros? 6 zeros. So 1 followed by 6 zeros. Right? 4, 5, 6 plus 6 cube is equal to what? 6 cube means 6 into 6 into 6 is equal to 6 6 36, 36 6 216. This is equal to 216 plus 3 into 100 into 6, 3 6 18. 18 into 100 is equal to 1800 into 106. Now further simplification we will get plus 216 plus 1800 into 106 is equal to 1,90,800 This is equal to, on simplification, you will get 11,91,016. Did you get this? Children, verify this answer using calculator, right? Factorize 8x cube plus 27y cube plus 36x square y plus 54xy square. Here we can write 8x cube in the form of 2x whole cube plus 27y cube as 3y whole cube plus 36x square y plus 54xy square. Take common factor outside. Common factor is 18xy. Take outside. Then we will get 2x plus 3y. Now this resembles a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b, that is equal to a plus b whole cube. Here, what is the value of a? There is 2x and value of b is 3y. Therefore, we can write 2x whole cube plus 3y whole cube plus 18. 3 into value of a is 2x, value of b is 3y into 2x plus 3y. Therefore, it is equal to a value is 2x and b value is 3y. It's a whole cube. Understand? Yes. Let us move to one more problem. Evaluate using suitable identity 95 into 94 without using actual calculation. How can we evaluate using suitable identity? 95. We can write 95 in the form of 90 plus 5 into 94 as 90 plus 4. This resembles the identity x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus x into a plus b plus ab. Here, what is the value of x? It is equal to 90 and value of a is 5, value of b is 4. Therefore, 90 plus 5 into 90 plus 4 is equal to x square. Value of x is 90. So, 90 square plus x value is 90 into value of a 5 plus value of b is 4 plus a value is 5 into value of b is 4. That is equal to 90 square. 9 square is 81. 0 here put 2 zeros plus 90 into 5 plus 4 is equal to 9 plus 5 4s are 20. On simplification you will get 9 9s are 81. 0 plus 20, that is equal to 8,930. Right? Verify this answer using calculator also. Yes. Next, factorize 1 by 4a minus 1 by 2b plus 1 whole square. How can we factorize this? 1 by 4a minus 1 by 2b plus 1 whole square This resembles a plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Here, what is the value of a? A is equal to 1 by 4a, b value is minus 1 by 2b, and c is 1. Therefore, 1 by 4a minus 1 by 2b plus 1 whole square is equal to a square. What is the value of a? It is 1 by 4a. So it's a square plus value of b is minus 1 by 2b. It's a square plus c value is 1. It's a square plus 2 into value of a is 1 by 4a into value of b is minus 1 by 2b plus 2b. 2 into value of b is minus 2b into value of c is 1 plus 2bc plus 2 into value of c is 1 into value of a is 1 by 4a. Then we will get 1 square is 1 divided by 4a whole square is equal to 16a square. Then plus 1 square is 1 minus 2b whole square is equal to plus 4b square plus 1 square is 1. Then 2 ones are cancelled. Then we will get minus here this is a plus 1 minus value of 2ab is equal to, on simplification, 1 divided by 4a, then minus, here again 2 ones are gets cancelled, minus 1 by b plus 2 ones are 2 twos are, so 1 by 2a. Therefore, this is the final answer. 1 by 16a square plus 1 by 4b square plus 1 minus 1 by 4a minus 1 by b plus 1 by 2a. Right? Now, let us move to one more problem. If x plus y plus z is equal to 0, show that x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. How can we factorize this? Simply using suitable identity, we can simplify this. X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to x plus y plus z plus into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. This is the algebraic identity. Now using this, we can say that here what is the condition? X plus y plus z is equal to 0. It is the condition. Therefore, now I will write x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, left hand side of the identity as it is. Here substitute the value of x plus y plus z. It is the condition. It is equal to 0. Then into, write the bracket x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. What happens? X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to 0 into the bracket is equal to 0 into anything is equal to 0. Now carry minus 3xyz to right hand side, then you will get x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. In this way we can prove if x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. Right? Did you get this? Okay.